Nouns, they're people, places, things, even ideas like freedom or joy. Pronouns, they're the replacement crew, he, she, it, they, so you don't sound like a broken record. Try this. Circle nouns in your notebook, then swap repeats with pronouns. Boom, smoother sentences. Real world hack. Snap your desk. Tag 5 things. My phone is charging. It's almost full. See? It equals phone.
Hey there, let's learn about nouns, the naming words, super simply. First up, common nouns. These are everyday names for general stuff, like city, teacher, phone, or even dream. You see them everywhere, not special or fancy, just regular things, people, or places. Next, proper nouns. These are VIP names, always capitalized. Think Paris, Mr. Smith, or iPhone. They're specific, one of a kind. There's only one Eiffel Tower and only one you. Last, abstract nouns. These name things you can't touch, like courage, friendship, or time. You feel them, you live them, but you can't hold them in your hand. So remember, common, everyday names. Proper, special plus capitalized. Abstract, can't touch them, but they matter most.
Let us explore how 3 types of nouns, common, proper, and abstract, work together in real sentences. We'll break down 5 examples, underline each noun, and label its category. Let's begin. First, Maya felt great happiness when she reached the ocean. Maya, underlined, is a proper noun. It's the name of a specific person. Happiness, also underlined, is an abstract noun. You can't touch it. It's a feeling. Ocean, underlined too, is a common noun. It names a general thing, not a specific one. Next, the team in Chicago played with a lot of courage. Team is a common noun, any group playing sports. Chicago is a proper noun, a specific city, always capitalized. Courage, that's abstract. You feel it, but you can't hold it. Third, Dr. Smith believes that education is a powerful tool. Dr. Smith, proper noun, a specific individual with a title. Education, abstract noun. It's a concept, a process, not something you can drop on your foot. Tool, common noun, any instrument used to achieve something. Fourth, Jupiter is a planet that represents vast mystery. Jupiter, proper noun, the name of a specific celestial body. Planet, common noun, the category Jupiter belongs to. Mystery, abstract noun, the sense of wonder and unknown surrounding it. Finally, our friendship began on a rainy Tuesday at the library. Friendship, abstract noun, a bond, invisible but deeply felt. Tuesday, proper noun. Days of the week are proper nouns. They're specific and capitalized. Library, common noun, a type of building, not one unique location. Notice how these 3 noun types, common, proper, and abstract, combine to create rich, meaningful sentences. One grounds us in reality, one names the unique, and one captures what lies within. Try spotting them in your own reading. You'll start seeing language in a whole new way.